Here is a circle and its radius. I'd like to animate point P so that it spins around the circle. To do so, I'll tap the Animate tool. A preview appears of a point and a button that animates the point. The point is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I'll attach the glowing point to P by tapping P. The tool is complete. When I press the Animate button, the point and the radius travel around the circle, always in a counterclockwise motion. I'll press the button again to stop the animation. To continue, I'd like to animate point Q to travel back and forth along the radius. To do so, I'll tap the second animation tool, which animates a point in both directions. I'll then attach the glowing point to point Q. Notice how point Q moves from endpoint to endpoint of the radius when I press the second Animate button. If I now press both Animate buttons, points P and Q are set in motion simultaneously. And here's a question to ponder and explore. If you use the Trace widget to trace the path of point Q, what will you see?